Alright, so Nick's continuing on cleaning up. Oh my god, that is nicked and tore up and disgusting. Where the axle seals go.
Oh, I thought you meant my axe.
Oh,
Yeah, I was like, why are you talking about Scotty like that?
Right?
He's not like that.
I'm not tore up.
No.
So ground up?
No, that's toe up from the flow up.
So look at that. That's pretty nicked up, boys. Anyway, so we're just gonna clean that up, clean up the other one. We have the tank kind of just draining, doing its own thing. Got it draining. Getting ready to drop the leaf springs. Scotty has the shocks undone.
Shocks are done, drums are off, axles are out.
Assholes?
No, you're right here. Hardware on these shackles are out. We got to drop that because they're using the exhaust hanger is using the stud for the fuel tank. So all kinds of fun. All right, Scotty's getting the U-bolts off on this side. Nick's got the axle seals in. We don't need to put the axle in right now, buddy.
Well, why not?
Because it's just gonna make it heavier when we have to hold the housing when we change the spring. I'm trying to.
You're not done with that part yet?
No.
He's old, dude. Come on.
Come on. I'm fighting this side. Look at that. We're all on this, Gary. Just... The only mystery we have now is when his third member is going to show up. But other than that, I think should be good. And these leaf springs came a day early, gentlemen.
Yes, so we are actually ahead of the game.
Yes. All right. You guys got the U-bolts off. We already saw. I sprayed all that with the good stuff.
Not Stony.
You dropping the soap over there?
Only for me.
Ooh. Fuel tank's still draining.
Hammer for a split second. I'll go right back to the front. I know.
No, you're fine.
Shoot me later.
He's got axle seal in on the driver's side. That's done. Ooh, plate's off. Look at the plate. That ain't horrible, really.
Nope. It won't be in the morning either.
Wow.
It'll be a million times better.
That's going to be done before the morning.
Well, they're soaking right now.
I got it, but... What do you got here, Mr. Burns? Putting in that seal?
It is something like that.
How is it?
It's a seal.
Oh, I'm in Scotty's way. Oh, little wire action.
Oh, yeah.
Clean that quick. There we go.
You're like a tall dog.
Tall dog! Tall dog!
He has clients.
Okay. I'm in my unit. I can do what I want. Whoa, almost fell. Okay, so I gotta undo that. Drop this tank out the rest of the way. Because that's a whole shit show on its own. And then...
Puppy.
Alright. Yeah.
Can you do me a favor? Put that on that side.
Yep. We good? We done with this?
Yeah.
Alright. We gotta get the... yeah. Lots going on. Get it, Bernsey, get it. Ah, Yahtzee! Yahtzee! Wow, look at that bushing.
That's crunchy.
That's disgusting. Alright, so we gotta get the front bolt out, then we can drop this spring up. Are we ready?
Set. Height. What size is it? Is that one?
Big.
Is that one?
I reckon so.